see now the autumn season. We can see that when I was coming, I will be see here and there. The amount of leaf accumulate here on the path shows that the old one move away, and then it gives the sprouting of new leaves.
Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Our intention creates our reality. Lata Mohan, a lady who deals with things in the best way possible. She leads life on her own terms. A profound girl of a middle class family from Kerala, between 5 sisters and a brother, rushed into committing herself in life challenges. After completing her B.Ed, she met her man and left her childhood place for the betterment and nourishment of thousands of seeds for bright India.
House, we are 5 sisters and one brother. Okay, my father was a teacher, headmaster. He wanted all of us, all the 5 girls, to be teacher, so that they can look after their children and they will get a lot of leave. Good looking at that time, and I completed my B.Ed at that time, and his sister was also in the same college where I studied B.Ed. That time I have not seen him, but when after completion of my B.Ed, when I reached home, this proposal came. He came to meet me at home. It was an arranged marriage. He was very good looking.
Not only an accomplished principal, but also a good woman, person, mother, wife, and much more. The decision was hard because of her family liabilities. Still, she chose to be unaffected by the negative opinions and acts differently till date. Being a benevolent person, she is favorite of all teaching and non-teaching staff. She mingles with the children and acts childish among them as well.
That's good to hear about. The thought that we will not be able to find you anymore in the principal's office is quite scary. You are an inseparable part of SAP's family, of course, no doubt. and the moment we have shared up with you in the school time was the best we had and are the most memorable one.
One of our present here on the occasion of the 31st birthday of our school. My birthday greeting to one of our present here on this occasion. You all know that the staff started in a humble beginning in the temple premises in 1988 with 200 students and 7 staff members.
Her quality of persisting makes her more and more stronger and enables her to achieve the impossible.
The way the various programs when I conducted the first the nationals we conducted, the surviving through the climatic conditions, the weather and all, it was not conducive. Still we persisted and we all as a team make it as a wonderful success. I got applaud from various corners of BSCT. It was a great achievement of all of us working together in various departments and making it as a success. It was
The very first day I joined Shape Public School, I had seen ma'am working very hard with so much dedication and passion, which acted as a source of motivation, not only for the teachers but also for us. I had always heard that time flies, but today when I get to know that ma'am is me retired, I really felt that, and I really feel very proud that I was happy and when ma'am was principal. She is the lady who is highly committed towards her work and had always worked for betterment and growth of our school. If SAPS is coming today and the top schools of Bokaro, the reason is our principal ma'am who had worked along with the teachers to achieve this goal. Just I wanted to say that this is a very sad moment, not only for me but for the whole school, that we have to say goodbye to one the gem of our school. It feels like that one story had came to his end, but ma'am, you are leaving the school, but you will always remain in our heart. Thank you for all you had done to us.
that way, everywhere, even in Delhi, when we go there, people will say that. Therefore, it is not a one-man show. It is because of the effort and concerted effort, we can say that. It is a concerted effort of all the previous members of the Ayyappa Seva Sangam and the effort they have taken to initiate this school, the amount of work they lay down and the dedication of that founder members and now the present management and the previous management, all they contributed to their extent to bring this school to this level. Therefore, working in this for 20 years, I have passed through about 5 chairmen and the team. Therefore, under their guidance and under my own vision and mission, it has reached up to this level with the grace of Lord Ayyappa. And because blessing always were there and He directed me. Because in certain cases I don't have any idea certainly. Evening I don't have any idea, but morning I will get the clue for how to conduct, how to carry on with that. That is because of the grace of Lord Ayyappa only. Think the small kids when they come in the morning with the small flowers or small gift and all when they bring, it really how innocent they are, how freely they are talking, how well they appreciate. Madam, aapka sari, aap achhi hai, aap sundar hai. These all things make me smile from inside.
I don't know what to say because all I can think right now is how time passed away so quickly. It really feels like it was just yesterday that I was attending school's morning assembly, and today I heard the news of Principal Ma'am's retirement, and that made me really, really sad because I can't thank her enough for all the life lessons, motivation, and her support throughout the school's journey. And I guess everyone out there will agree with me that Principal Ma'am's retirement from Sri Ayappa Public School is like an end of an era, and Ayappa will not be the same after this. And I really want to wish Principal Ma'am a very happy and great post-retirement life.
अलविदा कहकर जब कोई दूर जाता है, आंखें देखती हैं, दिल मजबूर होता है। जब मैंने सुना कि प्रिंसिपल मैडम का रिटायरमेंट सामने खड़ा है, तो मेरा दिल धड़का और मैंने अपने दिल को सांत्वना देते हुए कहा कि ये तो काल चक्र है, आज इधर है तो कल उधर है। ये जीवन की ऐसी पारी है जिसमें कोई चौके छक्के नहीं होते, बल्कि एक लक्ष्य होता है जो जीवन को जीवंत करता है। सरल सौम्य व्यक्तित्व, प्रतिकूल परिस्थितियों में सूझबूझ का परिचय देने वाला, धैर्य और शांतिपूर्वक कार्य करने और कराने वाले, समस्याओं के जड़ में जाकर उसका निवारण करने वाला आदि ऐसे स्थायी गुण मैडम आप में है जो आपके सौम्य और सरल व्यक्तित्व की आभा में 4 चांद लगाते हैं और संपर्क में आने वाले को अपना बनाते हैं।
You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in everyday way, in my heart you will always stay. You have been a great source of inspiration and motivation for the entire batch of students as well as teaching staff of SAP's family. From being nothing to something, we have traveled a long journey under your guidance. Unlimited patience, heaps of tolerance, contagious attitude, and inspirational personality is what defines you.
मैडम, आप जहाँ भी कहीं रहें, अपनी कर्तव्य निष्ठा और प्रतिभा के साथ सूर्य के समान दीप्यमान होके समाज में एक मिसाल कायम करें। हम अयप्पा परिवार आपके सुखद, उज्जवल और स्वस्थ भविष्य की कामना करते हैं। फुर्सत के पलों में जिंदगी यूं ही गुजार लेना, जहाँ भी रहना, जैसे भी रहना, खुशियाँ मना लेना
करना पड़ता है। लेकिन मैम ने अपनी सूझबूझ का सही प्रयोग कर सबको काफ़ी आगे बढ़ाया है। इनके कार्यकाल में ही IAS, IATN, डिफेंस अफसर जैसे बड़े बच्चे तैयार हुए जिन्होंने प्रतिष्ठित संस्थानों में नामांकन कराया एवं अपने स्कूल का नाम रोशन किया। अभी सब ऊंचे पद पर हासिल है। इनकी कड़ी मेहनत के बदौलत शिक्षिका से प्रधानाचार्य बनी। इनका कार्य काफ़ी सराहनीय है।